If you run a limited company in the UK, this update from Companies House could affect how you file your accounts from 1st April 2028. And if you are a small company or micro entity, there is one major change you cannot afford to ignore. You may soon need to file your profit and loss account with Companies House using commercial softwares. If that sounds confusing, don't worry. In this video, Taxaccolega Chartered Accountants explains exactly what is changing, who it affects, and what you should do now to stay compliant and avoid last-minute stress. First, you need to understand exactly what is changing. The government has now confirmed that the Companies House Accounts Reform measures under the Economic Crime and Corporate Transparency Act 2023, also known as the ECCT Act, will go ahead. These reforms are designed to change how UK companies file annual accounts and what financial information they must submit. Here are the key changes. Small companies and micro entities will be required to file profit and loss accounts, just like other companies already do. All the companies will need to file accounts using commercial software. The existing web filing and paper filing rules for accounts will close from 1st April 2028. That means if you are still relying on manual processes or older filing methods, now is the time to prepare. Don't worry, there is some good news. The government has confirmed that small companies and micro entities will be able to opt out of having their profit and loss account published on the public register. So, while the information may need to be filed, it may not necessarily be available for public viewing. Also, the deadline has been postponed to 1st April 2028 instead of 1st April 2027. This gives businesses 21 months to prepare effectively one full accounting year plus 9 months. That extra time is helpful, but it should not be wasted. So, what do you think? Why this matters to business owners? For many directors, this is not just an admin update. This is a major compliance change. If your business is not ready for software filing, you could face delays in submitting accounts, filing errors, compliance risks, unnecessary penalties, last-minute pressure on your business and finance team. This is especially important for small limited companies, startups, contractors, property companies, and owner-managed businesses that may not currently use accounting software for Companies House filing. So, what should you be doing now? If you do not already file accounts through software, here are the practical steps. First, understand what type of accounts your company files. If you are unsure whether you are a micro entity, small company, or filing under another regime, get professional advice. Second, make sure you have your company authentication code ready. Third, apply for a presenter account with Companies House if needed. Fourth, review the available Companies House compatible software and choose the right solution for your business. And fifth, speak to your accountant or tax advisor as soon as possible so you can move to software-based account filing well before the deadline. If you are already filed, if you already filed through software or through an accountant, you may not need to make major changes. But you should still check that your current process will remain fully compliant under the new rules. Now, this is exactly where Taxaccolega Chartered Accountants can help. We support UK limited companies, small businesses, and micro entities with annual accounts preparation, companies house filing, cloud accounting software setup, year-end compliance, corporation tax support, director guidance on filing obligations. So instead of waiting until 2028 and risking costly mistakes, you can get compliant early, streamline your accounts process, and stay focused on running your business. If you are not sure whether these companies' house reforms apply to your company, or you want help choosing the right filing software and preparing your accounts correctly, Taxaccolega Chartered Accountants is ready to help. Don't leave your company's house account filing to the last minute. The rules are changing. The filing process is changing. And for many businesses, the smartest move is to get prepared now. Contact Taxaccolega Chartered Accountants today for expert support with annual accounts, small company compliance, and software filing readiness. Thank you.